APT experienced a substantial 10.08% correction, dropping from 5.058 to a low of 4.548 before staging a recovery. Strong support established at the 4.55460 zone where buyers emerged. Recovery phase showed consistent accumulation, with price stabilizing between 4.6 and 4.7. Bullish move toward 4.75 during final hours on increased volume suggests renewed buying interest. New York City's controller has dismissed a plan by Mayor Eric Adams to back municipal bonds with Bitcoin BTC. The idea is part of Adams' broader push to position New York as a global crypto hub. JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon says the U.S. should prepare for war, not a Bitcoin-driven future. He called for the prioritization of guns, bullets, tanks, planes, drones, and rare earths. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel.